say, man, I don't give a fuck about the feds, DEA, ATF, Task Force, Jump Out Boys, or your local neighborhood robbers, baby. I got to keep on pushing.
Well, it's the king of the humble trade in the substance of snow. They call me Mr. Kilogram in case your ass ain't know. I'm the boss baller of blow when you come to the Gulf. Other cats holding some weight, but they ain't holding enough. I've been around way before the interstate was on fire. Before they hit it in the gas tank or the tire. Before a motherfucker even knew about a stash spot. We just put work in the back of the car and mashed out. Now ask a nigga that